Welcome to Analysis Prime University. My name is Michael Quinn, and I am a Senior Analytics Training Consultant with Analysis Prime University. In this tutorial, we will talk about story page types. You will learn how to access the story pages in SAP Analytics Cloud and also determine which type of a story page to use to build your story. So when you are in your tenant, if you expand the navigation bar and you select Stories, under Create New, you will see your choices are Responsive, Canvas, and Grid. There's another option that will be discussed in a different tutorial around creating a story from a smart discovery. In SAP Analytics Cloud, a story is a document that will use charts, visualizations, graphs, other objects really to describe and analyze data for the end user. For this exercise, we are going to select a responsive story. We will also, under the design mode, choose the classic design experience. There is more information on the difference between the two design modes in another tutorial. The responsive pages let you create lanes to section the page content into groups. By default, responsive pages start with 2 pages. However, you can add more pages or reduce the number of pages, whatever works best for you. These pages are very easy to add a lane. You can choose where you would like to put it. If you want to put it to the left, now I've got 3 lanes. Or if you don't want that lane, you can remove it. Again, it's a way to help organize your information in a way that makes sense for both you and the end user. I'm going to discard that because I'm not going to create a story at this time. The Canvas page is very similar. However, it'll give you a different look when it comes up, and it is really a flexible space where you can present your data. So whether you want to add charts, add another section, modify your text, add images, shapes, etc., this is where you would go and you would start to create that Canvas page. Again, I will go back to Stories, discard. The third type is a grid page. Essentially, the grid page is where you are able to take a larger tabular view of your data. So if you want to be able to work on that and have it on its own page, this is where you would be able to work on that information. Going back to the home. So those are the 3 main types of stories that you can create. So to recap in this tutorial, we really just wanted to have you understand how to access story pages in SAP Analytics Cloud, as well as understand and be able to determine which type of story page to use to build your story. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, click the like button below. You can also view our growing catalog of self-paced courses, tutorials, webinars, and join the community forum by creating your free account at analysisprimeuniversity.com.